Do you have efflorescence, which is described as a white, ivy, chalky-like deposit? It's normally formed when water migrates through the masonry pores and it comes through the walls as loose salt and limes come to the surface. As water evaporates, the salt and lime particulates bond, causing white stains. Or do you have calcite, which also appears as a thick, whitish deposit, usually forms over time. It often looks like stalactites through mortar joints, evaporating, leaving behind white deposits of thick clay brick, very difficult to get off. Squeegee Clean can take care of these unsightly menaces and make you look like a rock star. Call for your free estimate today. After we clean it, you can go ahead and seal it so it will not come back.